Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the 4 steps to make passive income online. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So first of all, you have to put in the work. There is no such thing as replacing that. It does not exist. If you want to make passive income, you are going to have to be active first. Like, this is the most important part that you have to understand. So many people think that passive income is just this magic thing where it's sunshine and rainbows and just money just falls into your bank account. Now, passive income absolutely works. I've seen people do that all the time. I make money like that. Like, there's so many different ways to make passive income, but you have to put in the work first in every single one of them. If you just think that you can press a button and just make money like that, it doesn't happen, and you're probably on the wrong channel anyway, because just go on the channel where they sell you a dream and you don't learn anything. So if you do really want to make passive income, it's very important that you know that you have to do the work first. So you have to focus on marketing. Marketing is the most important thing once you put in the work, because that is going to be what sells. Because if you have a very good product and like the most amazing product in the world, but you don't know marketing, you will fail. Like, that's the most important part of building a business, is knowing how to market. And I'm going to give you some tips for that, by the way. So you have to really identify your audience for this and just build your audience, because that is going to be the most important thing. Because if you are a very, very good marketer, you can probably run some ads that run very well and you make money like that, and there are tons of people doing that. But if you don't have very much money, which most of you won't, you want to build your audience for free. Okay, so to build your audience, the best way to do it is to actually build either a YouTube channel or a blog. You can also do this on Facebook and Instagram and so many different things, but YouTube and blogging are the ones that are going to make you passive income, because you can absolutely build an audience on Facebook, you can build an audience on Instagram, and some, Snapchat, so many different platforms. But those two are the ones that are going to stick out to make passive income, because all of the other ones you're going to have to constantly be posting, and like every day, and you have to have your last post that's going to do well, because all your other posts will just get forgotten in like the flood or the ocean of other videos or photos or content, no matter what it is, because of just because of the nature of how these work. But on blogging and YouTube, what's great is that it's a search engine. Most of all, that's what it is. So if people have a question, they can actually look for your videos or look for your articles or whatever. So they type that in Google or on YouTube, and they might end up on your channel or on your blog post, and that will be able to make you some money. So obviously you want to teach something, because if you're not teaching anything, it's going to be very hard to sell anything to anyone, which we're going to get to that a bit later on. But that is how you build an audience. So once you've built that audience, what you want to do is you want to create a funnel, a sales funnel. So what a sales funnel is when people come up to your funnel and they go through a whole process to get them warmed up to a sale. So it doesn't matter, so you don't want to be scammy about that or anything, but having people come through your funnel is very important. So you want to sell them an ebook, for example, or give them away an ebook, or do things like that, so they get onto your email list, and then you go and first of all they landed on your blog, so they know who you are, then they end up on your email list, so you can just follow up with them all the time, which is a very important step. And I'm one step forward from my notes, but you really have to follow up on your funnel. So when people come up, you want to send them emails constantly, reminding them of who you are and what you're offering, what you're helping them out with, and all that stuff. Don't just try and sell them something that's a scam. Sell them something that will genuinely help them in their niche. Okay? So you just have to follow up like that. And obviously the last thing is you want to be able to sell to them, because if you're not selling anything to anyone, it's going to be a very bad thing. So you want to find a product that is really appealing to them, some product that will genuinely help them. I said this a second time, but it's very important that you don't just sell something that will make you money, or sell something that you might enjoy but that's completely something else that they are not interested in. So make sure that it's tailored to your audience, basically. So if you sell that product that's really going to help them, or maybe it's something they just can't live without if they're trying to do whatever you're telling them to do or how to do, then you will make some more sales like that. If you're selling something that's sort of helping them out, it's going to be a lot harder. But since you build that audience, that is going to help you a lot more than if you were just running cold ads. And some people do that. You know, you look at Tai Lopez and some Sam Ovens and all these people. They run cold ads to people, but they really know what they're doing, and they pay a lot of money. So if you don't have a lot of money, the best way is to build an audience. So with that being said, this was the video for today. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out. And also make sure you check out my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.